Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel po. So yun na bago natin simulan ng inyong February 2024 reading, reminders muna tayo na hindi ito for all of you. So, just take only what resonates with you guys, and of course, this is timeless. So, yan mga babes, not tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates, and at the end of the day, you still have your free will. Syempre naman, no? Malaya kayong gamitin yan. So, yan mga babes, no, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito here for you guys. And of course, no, this is as well timeless. So, if you happen to see this video, kahit na sobrang tagal na, but you feel drawn to it, or you feel connected, no, na parang gusto mo yan panoorin, no, then that is palang yung time na dapat mo marinig ang mga mensaheng nakapaloob dito. Yes, no, you heard it right now. Let's go to your February 2024 reading. So, we have two decks right here, okay? Isa-shuffle muna natin lahat no, bago natin ilatag para dire-diretso ang ating pagbasa no, ng mga posible na maging kaganapan here for you guys. So, Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about my Virgo this love month, February 2024, please. Virgo this love month. February 2024, please. Virgo. Virgo. Okay, so yeah, let's shuffle this deck na rin, mga babes, no? So let's see more. Tell me more. For my Virgos, February 2024, what this Virgo needs to know. What this Virgo needs to know this love month. May mag-o-offer ba ng love or ng date? Let's see. Yung iba meron, pero mukhang tatanggihan mo. Bakit? So, alamin natin yan. Okay. So, yung iba meron kayong kasintahan or tinitingnan or minamahal sa malayo. Namimiss ka niya. Okay, ilatag naman na natin. First energy, we've got the Justice. Wow. Good receiving a lot of 11-11 right here, but doesn't have to be. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. King of Wands. I'm seeing you pursuing something here about money and finances. Okay? At nakikita ko mga babes na igagrab mo yung opportunity na yan dahil ayaw mo yan na ma-miss. I'm seeing you doing actions right here. Two of Swords energy, Star, Empress. Wow, Star together with the Empress right here. I'm seeing you guys, no, na meron ritong kaliwat kanan. So, nakakita ko rito ng dalawang exes mo na magbabalik sa buhay mo, no? Yan, just take how this resonates, no? Yung iba naman doesn't have to be na ex na nagkaroon kayo ng relationship niya, no? Pero I'm seeing two people, okay? Na darating dito, babalik sa buhay mo, no? They're coming back around, okay? Pero nakikita ko na hindi mo na sila bibigyan ng atensyon. Ang nakikita ko kasi dito, Virgo, no, this is you moving towards the new. So, hindi mo na i-entertainin yung mga old version, no? So, mga old versions na ito, mga taong lalapit sa'yo, no? And you're not giving them any chance, no, na mapakinggan. So, maaring, okay, sila ay mag-communicate sa'yo, no, this February 2024, but you're rejecting them. Okay? Maybe they want to ask you out on a date, talk down, no? Pero parang at the back of your mind, you're telling, no, na parang, alam ko na to. I already feel this person's intention sa akin. Yan. Ramdam mo na yung intensyon nila sa'yo 'no, and that is to go back to that cycle, that hamster cycle you've been 'no. Kaya nga natapos na or nag-end na, nag-separate na kayo 'no, kung sino man yung mga babalik rito from the past. Yung iba doesn't have to be na na, ex-lover mo yun 'no, pero puwede rin naman na meron kayong pinagsaluhan 'no, na connection before 'no. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you saying no. Yeah. So whatever it is, I do pick up that you will stand here like hindi ka na mag-iisip, no? Like you're listening to your intuition. Your intuition is really high, Virgo. And I'm seeing that you're moving towards the new things, new connections in life. Kaya I'm seeing you rejecting those, no? So nakikita ko dito na magpapaka-busy ka rito sa iyong work or sa iyong life in general, no? At mas gusto mo pang pumasok sa trabaho, no? Kung ito lang rin namang mga 'to ang mag-aaya sa'yong lumabas. So yun mga babes 'no? We also have here this Justice and there's this High Priestess. You know what it's telling me? It's like you're waiting here for someone, but you're not into rush. It's like you're waiting here for someone na puwedeng malayo sa'yo. Doesn't have to be na may relationship na kayo, pero puwedeng may iniintay ka, may tinatangi ka, minamahal 'no, na nakatira sa ibang lugar or sa ibang bansa 'no, might be. And this person, nakikita mo siya as someone here na siya na yung gusto mong makasama, gusto mong bitbitin yung apelyido niya 'no, or baliktarin niyo na lang 'no, wala tayong gender. Pero nahahanap mo yung sarili mo pagkasama mo siya. So, yung iba puwedeng ka-in relationship mo na siya or na-meet mo na siya 'no, pero yung iba naman 'no, feels like, yung right one for you 'no, is just out there 'no, and you're gonna wait for that perfect timing na makilala mo siya 'no. Pero hindi naman ito susulpot dito 'no, we have here major arcanas 'no, tabi-tabi pa sila 'no. I do pick up na kung ikaw man 'to na wala kang tinatangi sa malayo, pero sigurado at alam mo naman kung sino yung gusto mong patuloyin, anong klaseng tao yung gusto mong patuloyin sa buhay mo 'no. I'm picking up that you're gonna meet someone 'no, na nag-i-embodies ng, okey, lahat ng mga check boxes or almost na mache-checkan niya yung checklist mo when it comes to ideal partner 'no, na hinahanap or you're seeking or you're looking for, 'yan 'no. So yung iba naman 'no, nakikita ko rito 'no, na meron na kayo ditong in relationship, 'yan. So, nakikita ko na mas titibay at papuntang marriage na ito 'no. Actually, nag-iipon na nga kayo at nakikita ko mas mag-iipon kayo ngayon 'no, sa inyong future. Maglalaan na kayo ng ganyan na parang, "Uy babe, mag-ipon na tayo now para sa future natin, para dun sa dream wedding natin, saan natin gusto magpunta or ano yung house na na ibi-build natin para sa ating family 'no, to start with," gano'n. And I'm picking up that, this is really the person that you will really share a home and a family with. Hmm, well, before we, continue this, ilatag na muna natin 'to, Knight of Swords energy, King of Swords. Yeah, someone here is coming 'no, someone here is rushing, coming in, okay? Hindi sa'yo, kundi sa parents mo. Yun yung nakikita ko rito na para hingin yung kamay mo. So, definitely maaaring marriage proposal na ito or mai-engage ka na 'no, this love month right here, saktong-sakto yan mga babes 'no. So, whoever this energy is you're connecting here or that is about to enter your life, I do pick up 'no, na talagang magiging mabilis 'no, ang mga pangyayari rito na magugulat ka rito 'no, like literally na lalapit siya rito sa could be family member o tumatayong guardian mo 'no, sino man yung parents mo, tumatayong parents dito, talagang hihingin niya rito yung kamay mo or alam mo yun 'no, kung bago man 'tong energy gusto niya rito i-pursue 'tong connection na 'to to the next level. So, this person really wants to meet your parents 'no, to talk to them 'no, sa kanya ritong intention. Agad-agad miss yan. Malay ko rito yung sinasabi. Yes, the energy is giving me the vibe 'no, na siya yung klase ng taong 'di naman siya nagmamadali 'no, pero dahil nahanap na rin niya yung isang katulad mo, bakit pa siya rito magpapa-petiks-petiks sa time. Yun yung sinasabi sa akin here. Yan. At saka itong tao na 'to 'no, wala siyang inaatrasan na mga parang laban or pagsubok 'no. So, I don't know why I do pick up right here yung parang mahilig siya dun sa mga parang sumali sa hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun, but I have a friend who's also doing that 'no. Naggi-gym siya and then parang meron siyang sinasalihan na parang mga yung mga title parang yung mga parang, um, parang ano 'to, gladiator yung datingan ta's parang may mga obstacles, may mga gulong-gulong na parang pampalaki ng muscles, eme-eme. Ano daw? So, yung mga ganyan 'no, parang yung sa mga military na mga challenges, mga gano'n. So, wala siyang inuurungan 'no na mga ganyan. So, willing siya na parang madumihan or maputikan or willing siya na magalusan or masaktan 'no, gano'n siya. Gano'n yung energy niya. So, goal-getter siya, go-getter siya. This person's making sure na lahat ng, gusto niya ay nakukuha niya. Oh! Oh, so paano ba 'to magugustuhan ka niya, eh. So, get ready 'no, to be swept of your feet. Yun ang nakikita ko rito na tsaka magandaan na siya 'no. 'Pag may mapansin siya rito 'no, na na something here that it's off 'no, like literally hindi naman sa'yo 'no, puwedeng sa ibang tao. Pero siyempre sa'yo, yes 'no, makikita mo naman, malalaman mo rin 'yan 'no, na honest siya. Iba alam niya na honest ito kasi ka-deal mo na siya, eh, okey? You will always have this energy na parang, pagtitiwalaan mo lahat ng sasabihin niya because you will find that it's all true. 'No, gano'n 'yun, eh. So, whoever this energy is, nakikita ko rito na this person, things will happen fast. Like, ayaw niya mag-waste ng time kasi gusto niya ng mga babes na parang this person values life is, isang beses lang na dumadating sa life ng isang tao, eh, or isang beses lang dumadating yung opportunity to have this life 'no, and gusto niya 'tong i-spend 'no, wisely with you. Every moment, every second counts. Eh, so literally nakikita ko rito 'no, na talagang magiging seryoso siya sa'yo rito and talagang aalagaan ka niya. This is calling for long term here. But aside from him or her 'no, na paparating sa'yo rito 'no, para magpatibok ng puso mo, meron naman dito na bumibilis rin ng tibok ng puso, Virgo 'no, kasi kinakabahan. This person here is actually 'no, trying to find ways on how to talk to you. Okay, kasi hindi ka niya titigilan and this is the same energy that I've talked about earlier 'no. And whoever this energy is, this person is someone here na iniisip niya ngayon 'no, na rin dito yung family members mo. I don't know, could be your ate or kuya 'no. Pero puwede rin nasa parents kung talagang, alam mo yun, desperado na siya, okay. This person here is what I'm picking up na puwedeng may motorsiklo siya but doesn't have to be, pero nakikita ko siya rito na parang alam mo yung kabog ng dibdib niya 'no, ang bilis pero kinakabahan siya rito, nape-pressure siya 'no. So, kung sino man 'to 'no, yun ang mga galawan ng may kasalanan. So, kung sino man 'tong person na 'to, this person here 'no, is parang gusto niya lang dito na parang mag-shortcut 'no, dayain dito 'no, yung sitwasyon 'no. Pero alam naman natin hindi na mababago nitong tao na 'to ang isip mo 'no, kaya sa ibang tao na lang siya rito naghahanap ng simpatya 'no, at tulong. So, iniisip niya rito na posibleng 'pag kinausap niya yung ate o kuya mo or kapatid mo or mama't papa mo rito 'no, puwede siya ritong matulungan 'no. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, okey, may parang hinaharang rito yung family mo and yung mga close friends mo na shield 'no. Well, I don't know kung paano nila ide-deal 'tong past person mo dito 'no, pero I do not think na tutulungan nitong mga 'to yung past 'no, kasi nakikita ko dito na parang medyo imbiyer na sila dun sa iyong past, 'yan. At nakikita ko rin dito mga babes 'no, with the Three of Wands energy, meron ditong opportunity sa malayo na kung saan may pera dun, 'yan 'no. This will bring the sun and the star, wow! See, iba yung dagat dito or tawid dagat or regardless kung anong sasakyan mo rito 'no, may pagitan ng dagat. So, puwedeng ito ay sa ibang bansa, oportunidad 'no, na, I'm picking up 'no, na parang still the moments, sabi ng mga angels and spirit guides mo 'no, still the moments because it will bring a lot of, um, money into your life, abundance and prosperity 'no. And you can also express yourself. Meron ba ditong parang may talent na magaling magsulat or you are into writing, into media, no? But doesn't have to be. Basta nakikita ko dito na meron kang talento kung saan posible kang makilala. So, you might want to showcase that, no? Simulan mo yun, no? Na ipakita, no? Post it sa social media or whatever, no? I'm seeing na may potential din yan to grow. And I'm also picking up right here, see? Simula na yan ang pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo rito. Nakikita mo ba yung jump shot mo yan? Mga babes, ikaw yan, no? Makakamit mo rito, no, yung mga pinapangarap mo. I need to pick up that it has something to do with money. Kasi before, you just want, no, to spend your money to have big money right here to buy your dream house, dream car, no, or yung mga parang kailangan rito ng family mo, your biological parents or siblings right here, yun, no, pero hindi mo yun ma-provide because you feel lack of that, no, finances or whatever. But now you will have that opportunity, no, sa malayo and you can grab it, no, right away. Okay, still the moments daw. Sabi ng mga yung angels and spirit guides, this is just a once in a lifetime opportunity. Grab it because the sky is really clear. Blue sky is really clear right here. Justice, pure justice will prevail. I'm seeing you being abundant here, Virgo. And of course, okay, yung iba, pwedeng nasa trabaho na kayo ngayon, di ba? Yung boss mo mismo or someone with a higher position dyan sa company mo, no, ang makikipag-usap sa'yo. I don't know if that's a subsidiary or, partner ninyo na company and picking up overseas strongly. So, nakikita ko, no, na ikaw yung possible na representative or ipadala doon, no, and this is calling for promotion. A lot of money is coming in, no, at yung iba, alam mo, nakikita ko dito, very specific, this is not just contractual, maaari ka talagang full-time at pwedeng mga babes na yung iba, nakita ko, this is very specific, maaari magkaroon na kayo ng citizenship doon. Okay, so just take how this resonates. This is a big privilege here for you, Virgo. A lot of money in abundance showing up for you guys. Listen to your intuition, connect to your higher intuition here. Universe are sending you different types of messages and it's calling for abundance. Yeah. And I do pick up that you're grabbing this opportunity because you're gonna feel that this is what you deserve. So thank you so much, honey. These are your February 2024 reading, Virgo. Sarang hair, love and light.